Welcome to Finland, a magical place of snow, Santa, and reindeer. Join us as we travel to the beautiful area of Lapland. Each journey begins with a choice, and for us, it was to get on a plane, leave our warm comforts, and go to Rovaniemi.
Here we come, Rovaniemi. Ready
We're coming for you.
Are you ready
Santa.
for the cold?
Huh?
Are you ready for the cold?
No.
Is it cold?
My God.
Oh my.
During the winter months, northern Finland only gets about 3 hours of sunlight per day. So as we drove, marveling at the sunset, we couldn't help but realize our daylight was running out. With a forecasted snowstorm on the horizon, we quickly drove north to our final destination in Lapland. But after every storm, you always arrive in the calm, and we certainly had arrived.
Kakslauttanen or Kakslauttanen. We are at, I don't know what it is, I can't pronounce it, but we are at an igloo hotel. We're staying in a Kello glass igloo. This has been a bucket list item forever. And holy freaking crap, it is cozy magical in here.
Nothing like a little Finnish ginger shot for breakfast.
Here we go. Cheers.
Cheers. Gonna go dog sledding. Never thought I'd say that in my life.
Good thing it's not scruffy. You're about to go dog sledding.
You can hear them in the background. They're so loud and crazy.
Listen. We could not believe it. Dog sledding was amazing. After warming up and filling our bellies, we began to think about our next snowy adventure.
What about just my legs? This is made for a smaller person. Okay.
You're pretty darn small.
1, 3.
There's something strange about trying something new and scary for the first time. It usually leaves you wanting more. As nighttime settled in, the clouds began to loom overhead. We embarked on our final adventure in a reindeer sled, still holding on to the hope we might see the spectacular northern lights our guides said they saw just the day before. But as the night carried on, these hopes began to dwindle. No, we didn't get to see the northern lights, but we still left with smiles on our faces, because it's not all about what you see or do, but who you're with. Did things we've never done, we saw things we've never seen, and we left with the mystery of the northern lights in Lapland, so that someday we can go back together to try and see them.